we're just going to let it roll for the whole time. So
Sure.
just do your thing, and I promise not to embarrass you. Do it.
That's all right. I can do that myself.
Just don't go to the bathroom because there'll be a ride behind
Oh,
you.
you guys are running around with cameras. I see.
Yep. I get
I'm
a.
telling you, man, you go to the bathroom, there'll be a ride behind you.
Well, we have to go. That's where Dave Am's going to be.
Right.
Oh yeah, I should have told you that.
It works. Just wipe before you touch the amp.
I have a closet that I put amps in sometimes, but frankly, it's a little too dead. It's not super.
I love that idea of the bathroom.
Yeah, use it. Do it.
So
You just gotta well, you got common sense. Don't play if somebody's taking a dump. unless they really need to memorize that part.
Good morning.
That's when you're happy after.
Hey, man. How you doing? Good. Hey, Gary. Gary's amp the team, man.
Yeah. Gary?
Hey.
How you doing?
Piano loves this rain and everything.
Dude, piano's been on for like 3 or 4 years.
Play me some boogie woogie.
Wait,
Blaze, right? It's in tune.
With itself, not with anybody else.
Well, I got a bunch of shit to bring in, but I don't need to use it all. I just want to have some options, So give me a corner to pile some shit in.
Kitchen.
Kitchen? Okay. Just try to race his way through it.
Keep setting up all this shit for everybody else. Forget I got to play too. I got this amp. Paul Losher.
No.
Yep. I got a couple of amps from him. I got my Echoplex from him too.
Really?
It's up there.
Do you,
You
where
can
do
tell
get
it's from
this-
Paul Losher because
Why?
he's labeled every fucking thing on it. The speakers,
With his name?
every tube. Yeah.
With his name?
P.O. He's nuts, man. I love the guy though. Oh, little amp. Woohoo! David Barrett.
Sir. Hey, Christopher.
Yes.
Special outlets or anything Gary's asking about?
Special outlets. Well, those are my luxury outlet over there. They got 3 prongs.
So just unplug the blender or what?
I don't use the blender much. I think it's the coffee machine that's plugged in now. Yeah, we don't want to unplug that.
No. How about over
The microwave, though. The microwave we can sacrifice that.
Kid, I have a speaker cable that will allow that cabinet to be in there and the head out here. Is there any value for that?
That's very smart.
Okay.
I like that. I actually have those too.
All right.
That's
The
it.
next question before I complete the setup process here is, where do you expect Gary to be?
Oh yes.
Will it be in the keyboard area?
Here's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
See where that mic is?
Yes.
So you guys can be on either side, one there, one here,
Okay.
of this mic. Ah! And then you can both. Actually, there may or may not be any value to this.
I remember what he used to live in a house with instruments. Instruments with a house.
Am
am I impeding something?
No, you are something. You are the something.
You're so you know, what is that? Affirming, reaffirming.
Assertively affirming.
So you got
Okay.
we got one guy here, and then you can both see our key, and you can both see
Marty.
Make
something up.
Tim.
Tim. There are some who call me Tim.
Okay, Tim.
Is there coffee here? Or should I go fetch some?
Go grab some. I mean, we have some.
I'll be right back.
Wait, get me some too.
Yeah, okay. With or without spit?
What? Who's spit? You or a hot chick?
You are picky. You are picky.
Come, Marty.
Can I text you what I want? What are you doing right over in the corner?
I'm hiding.
Good to see you,
They
man.
made me go to the corner, man. I was a naughty boy.
Gary Smith, right there.
Actually, Aki's bringing me coffee.
Oh.
Hey, you need to film this.
He's not gonna be here till noon.
Well, that's
Okay, so I got you. You're plugged in.
Correct.
So,
Any issues with going on this guy?
no,
Okay. We'll park
I
it.
think so.
Find out.
All right. If you get an electric shock, just think of it as extra inspiration. That sounds good.
Oh, this one.
Well, that sounds good too.
Well, maybe I should have took them both up.
Don't do that. I don't know, I might like that one a little better, but it was pointing, not towards me. So. Oh Lord.
I need a judgment call in here, man.
All right. Who's that other one? I mean,
The little one? The tweed one?
Masco.
Oh, the Masco?
You know what? Let's name make the phone.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes. Unbiased by the
Well, you should
visual. Stand right here then.
Okay.
See if we can hear the sound of the speaker.
That sounds good. It's got a nice big mid bite, high bite. That'll sound good on recording. Like this one.
Okay.
But I think that'll be nice for some variety later
Okay.
in the show. So keep her plugged in.